Meaning that probably you keep repeating the bloody keyword inside the article.
Okay. So I think, like I mentioned, as in for me, I don't, even for as in SEO, right? I don't like to deliberately stuff keywords, or even like even for ads wise, I don't like to deliberately do certain things. I prefer, yes, when you write the copy, right, still write it in a way where you want to convey the right offer to who is the audience that you're targeting. So I think don't be too, or as in I would say um I would say like focus on this particular keyword inside the landing page. Yes, as long as naturally you write the content, keywords for sure will be sprinkled around the landing page as well. Yeah. So, but of course, there's another way. I'm not sure if this answered the question. So, for some of the landing page builder tools, right? Some of the tools that we use like Unbounce and all these, there is a way where you can do dynamic keyword insertion into the landing page. So this is
Oh.
one way you can dynamically have the keyword or deliberately have the keyword in the headline, for example. So, for example, like okay, I have one client based in US. So for them, right, they are targeting students who wish to enroll, as in maybe they are searching for like Harvard University admission, for example. So when they go into the landing page, it will be saying that uh going to your dream school, dream university, Harvard or something, right? Then we will insert that keyword there to make sure when he search Harvard, it will be Harvard in the headline. If they don't
Oh.
specifically search for any university, so it'll be like something like trying is in as in wanting to study in USA, so it will be a generic headline. So that is one trick you can use is to have keywords in the landing page.